Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about Articles Chapter 14 by Wren and Martin. In the previous videos, we will cover up 13 chapters of Wren and Martin in detail. So before watching this video, firstly you watch my previous videos in detail. I also provided link in the description below. So without waste the time, let's get started. So first of all, we discuss that what is article. The adjectives are and are the are usually called articles. They are usually called demonstrative adjective. Articles are basically words that are placed before nouns. They tell us whether we were talking about something specific or general. So there are two types of articles. The first one is indefinite article and the second one is definite article. Are or an are called indefinite articles because it refers to the non-specific noun. For example, I am reading a book. In this sentence, are indicates that non-specific book. And the second example is I am eating an apple. In this sentence, an indicates that non-specific apple. Understand? The is called definite articles because it refers to the specific noun. The first example is I am reading the book on the table. In this sentence, the indicates that specific book. And the second example is I am going to the store we always go to. In this sentence, the indicates that specific store. So you remember that articles are adjectives that modifies noun. Indefinite articles are and an refer to the non-specific nouns. And the definite article the refer to the specific noun. Understand? The next point is the definite articles is used before singular countable nouns. We use the for a specific situation. That when it refers to the specific unique noun, we use the when the noun is already known to the listener or readers, and we use the with a superlative like best, biggest, or most interesting. The first example is she is sitting in the chair. In this sentence, the is used because it refers to the specific chair, perhaps one that has already been mentioned and is clearly identified. And the second example is I am visiting the city of Paris. In this sentence, the is used because Paris is a unique and specific city. The next one is using the definite article the, singular countable nouns. The indefinite articles is used before singular countable nouns. The indefinite article is used before singular countable nouns. Like when it refers to the specific or unique nouns. For example, I am reading the book on the bestseller list. In this sentence, the refers to the specific book that is well known or already mentioned. The indefinite article is used before a singular countable noun when the noun is already known to the listener or reader. For example, I am going to the store we always visit. In this sentence, the refers to the specific store that is already familiar to the listener. The next point is the definite article is used before singular countable nouns and plural countable nouns and uncountable noun because it refers to the specific group of nouns. For example, I am meeting the student from the university. In this sentence, the refers to the specific group of students from a particular university. And the plural countable noun is used when the noun are already known to the listener or the reader. For example, I am going to the movie with the friends I met last week. In this sentence, the refers to the specific friends that the listener is already familiar with. So we also use the with the uncountable nouns because it refers to the specific unique instance of the noun. For example, I love the music of Mozart. In this sentence, the refers to the specific type of music that is Mozart music. And we also use the uncountable noun when the noun is modified by an adjective or phrase. For example, I'm enjoying the beautiful weather today. The refers to the specific weather that is modified by the adjective beautiful. So you also remember the key points that use the with the singular countable nouns to refer to the specific unique nouns. And we use the with the plural countable nouns to refer to the specific groups of nouns. And we also use the with the uncountable noun to refer to the specific instance or modified nouns. Thanks for watching this video. So subscribe our channel for more grammar lessons. If you have any question, you also mention in the comment below. So if you like this video, you also share with your friends. See you in the next video.